What's up, guys? Today we're headed to a car meet. I'm here with my friend Taylor in his second fucking Challenger.
We're getting ready to go on a car show here today, so we're just gonna have fun and eat some foods, stare at girls with cars, and that's what we like to do.
Girls, cars, food. Sounds good to me.
Oh yeah.
So, see you guys there.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to be in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, yeah, no looks in the family. Legacy, family, wait and see, they like a panda. Going out like a Montana, 90 killers on the hammers. Legacy, family, wait and see. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball. Ain't on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out to the granny. Going out like a Montana, hope the killers understand me. I got broads in Atlanta. Just to be in the family. Getting no licks in the family. Wait and see, them like a panda.
Hey guys, it's actually the next day. I forgot to film an outro that night, so I know this video is slightly short. It was just me testing out how my vlogs would go, how the views would go, and if you guys still have interest in my channel. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.